There you go.
Okay. Okay.
Talk to it.
Where do I start?
I don't know, whatever you want to say.
Oh, right.
Edit it later.
The birds.
Well, make sure it's looking at you.
Okay. According to the horror movie, the birds.
You can put it higher.
The horror movie, the birds, kind of made the birds look kind of scary.
And then if you want to switch the camera, you have to start recording and record from the other side.
Okay. Okay, we have some birds up there. I gotta admit, the horror movie, the birds made birds look kind of scary. So, you know, but birds kind of are scary because, well, they're poop. I don't want it in a minute, but if a bird poops on you, you might want to take it. Because I don't know why, but most of them are nearby our school, which kind of makes birds scarier. So, yeah.
You're recording your what? School?
Yeah. And that is my school. Most of us hang out. And if we're lucky or unlucky, we send them towards the playground. And we gotta make sure the birds are okay with us going close to them, or you know. Very short.
What?
Wait, it's still recording. Well, those birds are heading to the playground right now. They're probably not as afraid of the playground as they are now, as they are going to be, because of the kids. I think.
Whoa! Why is the cafeteria decorated?
Oh, it's be with their grandparents there.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Anyways, I think it's one giant bird. Actually, I think birds are more afraid of humans than they're afraid of us.